Looking to learn a new skill in 2025 without spending a single dime? Today, we're exploring the top 5 free courses that can help you boost your knowledge, improve your skills, and even advance your career. Let's dive in. First up, learning how to learn on Coursera. This is one of the most popular online learning courses in the world. You'll discover scientifically proven techniques to improve memory, focus, and understanding. You'll learn how to tackle complex subjects, manage procrastination, and retain information more effectively. And the best part, you can audit the course for free, giving you full access to all lessons, videos, and exercises. Pro tip: take notes while watching and try applying these techniques to any topic you want to master. Next, Harvard's CS50 Introduction to Computer Science on edX. This is a comprehensive, beginner-friendly course covering programming fundamentals, algorithms, data structures, and problem solving. It's perfect for anyone looking to start a career in tech or just improve their coding skills. By choosing the audit option, you get access to all lectures, assignments, and resources completely free. Tip: take your time with the projects. They're designed to reinforce concepts in real-world scenarios. If digital marketing is your goal, Google Digital Garage offers a fantastic beginner-friendly course. You'll learn search engine optimization, social media marketing, email campaigns, and analytics. All lessons are practical, so you can apply them to your business or career right away. The course is completely free, and you even get a certificate upon completion. Pro tip: follow along with the exercises and try creating a small project as you learn. It really helps reinforce the lessons. For anyone looking to improve business and data skills, Excel Skills for Business on Coursera is a must. You'll learn formulas, data visualization, pivot tables, and dashboards. It's perfect for students, professionals, or entrepreneurs who want to make data-driven decisions. By auditing the course, you gain full access to all lessons and exercises without paying. Tip: practice each Excel exercise as you go. It's the fastest way to retain the skills. Finally, Canva Design School's Introduction to Graphic Design is perfect for creative beginners. You'll learn design principles, color theory, typography, and how to create visually appealing projects using Canva's tools. The course is fully free and includes hands-on projects. Pro tip: try recreating real-world designs. It helps you apply your learning and build a portfolio. So there you have it, 5 amazing free courses to level up your skills in 2025. Which one will you try first? Comment below and start learning today. And don't forget to check out our related videos and playlists for even more free learning resources.